See, freedom. What? What?
Freedom.
Tell me what is freedom?
Free to do anything as you like.
Free to do anything. I mean, I can kill anybody. Then you said free to do anything.
Free to do anything.
If I kill you, you said na. You said na कि free to do anything. It means कि I can kill anybody.
Yes, of course.
This is not freedom. This is not freedom.
Then tell.
The ability to do something for your welfare, basically, is called what? Freedom. But liberty is the freedom. But when it is recognized by the society or government, like freedom of speech is a freedom. But when freedom of speech under Article 19, it is a
Liberty.
when I say only freedom of speech, then it is.
Freedom.
But when I say freedom of speech under Article 19, then
Liberty.
yes. So freedom is basically natural, like dancing, singing, breathing.
Give na formal example.
Formal example, freedom of speech.
Okay. You are not mentioned in under Article 19. So freedom of speech itself is a freedom.
Yeah, but when they say under Article 19, then it becomes a liberty.
When
Basically.
you involving na legal
Yeah,
authority, then it will become liberty.
of course.
Right.
Yeah. Now see here. Now there question. What is the main difference between freedom and liberty? So of course, freedom is the absence of restraint, and liberty is the freedom restrained by the law. See, again, liberty. So a court protected your right to a lawyer, then not a civil liberty. So right to vote in election is a not a civil liberty, but it is a civil.
Right.
Yeah. Right to vote. Tell me, right to vote is a democratic right?
Democratic.
I told you that time during the newspaper discussion. Tell me, right to vote is a democratic right? And right to contest election? Right to contest election
Right to contest election.
is also democratic right? Democratic right. Tell ya, real can tell. You always forget. Right to contest election is not democratic right because it is selective one, na? But it is democratic right because under article because after 18 years, I mean adult one can give the vote without restrictions. But there are some restrictions, na? So that's why it is not democratic right. But this is.
Then what is this?
It is a legal right. It is a constitutional right. But it is not. But it is also legal right. It is also constitutional right. But it is not. Yeah. So this is what I am saying.